भारत, जहां लड़कियों को एक तरफ लक्ष्मी माना जाता है तो दूसरी तरफ बोझ भी। जब एक औरत गर्भ अवस्था में होती है, ज्यादातर उसके घर के लोग सिर्फ कहने को कहते हैं, हमारे घर तो जो होगा वो तो भगवान की ही देन है। पर हकीकत में उनके दिल की बात सिर्फ वही जानते हैं। आप समझ ही गए होंगे मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं। ये सिर्फ वही डरे हुए लोग हैं जो लड़की के जन्म लेने पर आगे दहेज की चिंता करना शुरू कर देते हैं। पर वो करे भी तो क्या, हमारे देश भारत की प्रथा ही कुछ ऐसी बनी है।
I am Advocate Priscilla Samuel. I filed the public interest litigation in the Bombay High Court before 4 years. It took me 4 long years to win this battle. This public interest litigations, the main prayer was on the implementation of the Dowry Prohibition Act. This act was enacted in the year 1961. Today we have completed almost 55 years, but till today most of the women had not been aware of this act. This act has not been propagated well to the women of India. Do you know what is 55 years? We have almost completed we have crossed 5 generations. So many women has been died because of the cruelty caused due to the dowry. So many women have undergone tremendous pressure which they were unable to express even to their own mother, even to their own parents, brother or sister. But though this act has been enacted, the government has been silent on this for long 55 years. Only the books after books has been written on deaths, on cruelty, on the harassment which has been caused on the women. I wanted to do something in a life for the women, to protect the women. It was my dream that how to protect the women from this menace.
I have seen, after seeing Priscilla's petition, I came to know that there's trade happening in marriages and all. There's as if it's like human trafficking in a glorified manner. I would like to make my friends aware about this, and I would fight against this crime and inform the right authority about it.
वेल एजुकेटेड होने के बावजूद लड़कियां सफ़र कर रही हैं आज, क्योंकि उनसे भी डाउरी की डिमांड होती है। इतने सारे कानून बनाए हैं, इतने सारे सेक्शंस हैं, ये है वो है, लेकिन कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं इन सब चीज़ों का। जब ये करने के लिए जाते हैं तो इन सब चीज़ों में 10 साल 5 साल यूँ ही चले जाते हैं।
Definitely, I'm not going to compromise, nor I'm going to let my daughter to compromise. I'm not going to such a boy who is ready to sell himself in the market. I will definitely see such a guy who's really a real husband, a real friend to my daughter. And it's very grateful of Priscilla Samuel that she has filed a petition 4 years back regarding it.
I saw this Priscilla's petition. I'm supporting her because today I'm also a mother of one child, girl child. So आज का दिन में सब बेटियों के बारे में सबको डाउरी की चिंता रहती है। वो शादी बड़ी हो जाएगी तो उसको शादी कैसे कराए। तो मुझे इसमें से बाहर आने का है। माँ लोग जागो, अपना बेटी और बेटा दोनों के समानता से देख लो। घर पे जैसा बेटा पैदा होता है खुशियाँ मनाते हैं, वैसे बेटी पैदा होने से भी आप लोग खुशियाँ मनाते हैं।
I belong to the Tamil community where the dowry is more than 3 kg, 4 kg. Minimum it starts with a 1 kg of gold. Even if a person sells a chai, it is 1 kg of gold you have to give minimum dowry. Plus the other household vessels or clothes and car, etc. If the girl is dark, then in that case, the other side will directly ask, oh, you are a dark, then you have to pay 2 kg or 3 kg of gold. Then only we will marry. This is what the situation in the Tamil community. And this is I've seen in my relative or my in a friend's marriage or my few of my friends where they suffered because of a dowry. That is one of the reasons why I took this issue to fight it out. Today so many women have died, so many women have lost their lives. Lot of even the basic right of women has not been provided. So many female infanticide has been happened where there is no accountability. How many female infanticide has happened? Most of the women get aborted themselves once they come to know that it is a female child. So I think it is first to prevent all such kind of a menace from the society. The first, it is a duty of a dowry prohibition officer on the first stage itself to prevent the taking or giving of a dowry and to give an education to the public at large as to why the dowry should not be taken. Because in India what happened, though we educate ourselves, we become a lawyer, engineer, doctor, even then no one is bothered about the education. Once you sit in the marriage market, the first question is how much you are capable to pay. This is only one question. And for that we have to, either the parents has to undergo tremendous pressure to get the girl child married, or the girl child will never get married if they are unable to pay the dowry. As per the report of the government itself, there is around 3,000 deaths has taken place in Maharashtra. But still conviction, acquittal rate is more than conviction. In the Dowry Prohibition Act, which was enacted in 1961, there was an appointment of a dowry prohibition officer. So this dowry prohibition officer was never been appointed. And we have filed an RTI with the Commissioner of Police in Mumbai. And we have come to know that police was appointed as a dowry prohibition officer. But the police was also not aware that they are the dowry prohibition officer. We have filed a PIL regarding the appointment of dowry prohibition officer, and we have pointed out this fact to the court. State has been made a party, and now the court has also passed an order to appoint a dowry prohibition officer. The court was really very serious when it has been filed. In fact, they have really supported this petition. They have immediately appointed, they have asked the state to immediately appoint the dowry prohibition officer, and also to see to it that the dowry taking and the giving of dowry should be eradicated. Each dowry prohibition officer will also have assistant dowry prohibition officer. They should point out, or they should be able to come to know through their own resources that whether this marriage is going to take dowry or not. If the dowry prohibition officer feel yes, this marriage will be having a dowry, then they should try to prevent it by calling them or summoning them or explaining them that this is an offence and it should not be done. If the parties are not agreeing to the dowry prohibition officer, he can take more steps, collect the evidence, and he can